Hey there, website owners! 2024 is here, and it's time to level up your SEO game. Today, I'm going to share some must-know SEO hacks that'll boost your site's ranking, drive more organic traffic, and enhance user experience. First up, optimize for voice search. With the rise of smart speakers, more people are using voice commands. Focus on long-tail keywords and natural language. Think about how people speak, not just how they type. Next, don't underestimate the power of featured snippets. Aim to answer common questions in your content. Use headers, bullet points, and lists to make your content snippet-friendly. Google loves pulling quick answers from well-structured content. Mobile-first indexing is bigger than ever. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Fast loading times, responsive design, and easy navigation are crucial. Remember, a poor mobile experience can tank your rankings. Let's talk about EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Google rewards sites that demonstrate these qualities. Make sure your content is well-researched and credible. Cite authoritative sources and showcase your expertise. Now, don't forget about video content. Videos can significantly boost engagement and dwell time. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. And embed videos in your blog posts to keep visitors on your site longer. Lastly, focus on user experience. A clean, easy-to-navigate site with valuable content keeps users happy. Happy users spend more time on your site, interact more, and are more likely to return. That's it for today. Implement these hacks and watch your SEO performance soar in 2024. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.